Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get your AdSense account activated, your AdSense address verified, so that you'll be able to take your YouTube earning. Okay, if you can see on my screen, you can see I just got paid. This money got credited into my bank account. There's about 211 dollars being credited into my bank accounts just about a week ago. Okay, now before I got this money credited into my account, I actually went through some difficulties. Okay, so for everything I'll be saying in this video, please take it as just basically for educational purpose. Okay, it's just for you to understand some things that might happen along the way in the process of you trying to get your Google AdSense accounts verified. Okay, so the process of this address verification sometimes as a result of the COVID, okay, could be a bit delayed, okay. So let me quickly go to my mail and show you my charts that I actually had. Now, if you look at this mail here, you can see that I got this message: congratulations, your YouTube channel, Thompson Anthony, has been accepted to the YouTube program and is now able to monetize in YouTube. So I got this mail in May. Okay, so after getting this mail in May, ordinarily you should expect me to start getting money paid into my bank account immediately, but no, I still needed my AdSense address verification to be confirmed. Okay, the address to be confirmed before I could get the money paid into my earning from YouTube paid into my bank account. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you this video here is how you can actually get your AdSense address verified without you getting the physical pin. Okay, without you getting the physical pin. So I'm going to show you the chat I actually had with you can see the chat I had with YouTube. So you can see I started chatting with them. But one other problem that some persons that are waiting for their pin actually face is this: they don't know how to chat with YouTube team. Okay, now if you keep sending mail, believe you me, they are going to respond to your mail, but you and I know that sending mail will not be as smooth sailing as you chatting with somebody directly. Okay, so I had a chat with them. Okay, and I was told that my pin was going to come, but due to the restriction and everything, delay of COVID, that my pin was going to come, but I should exercise patience. But the issue is this: okay, you have to wait for 4 weeks after your first request for the pin, then for you to now ask for another pin again. So, but some persons don't really know this. So that is one thing you need to know. If you go to your AdSense, okay, because mine is verified now, it will not be showing here. You will see there's going to be a message here that will say that you should request for your pin again. So after 4 weeks, you are expected to request for the pin again. Okay, you keep requesting until you request for 4 good times. Sometimes it could be 3, but sometimes it could be 4. But in my own case, I think I requested for 4 good times, okay, before I got my accounts verified. Now, I'm going to show you something, how you can chat with the Google team, okay? So I'm going to be dropping that link right below this video, okay? Because if you go to YouTube, normally, if you go to YouTube, it will be a bit tricky and difficult for you to actually find a way to chat with them directly. But if you come, I'm going to be, just check the first link in the description of this video. I'm going to be dropping this link where you'll be able to chat with them directly, okay? So if you come here now, you can see you just click on chats. Okay, after clicking that link below, you click on chats, then you come down here, you choose English. Okay, you choose English here. Okay, then you choose English here, you put your YouTube URL here, and you'll be able to chat directly with them. Okay, now this can only happen for you if your account have been monetized. If your account is not monetized, you cannot chat. There's no way you can chat with YouTube. You can only send them mail. But if your account is verified, then you just go to your YouTube channel. Let's assume this is your YouTube channel. You just click your username here. Okay, you're going to click your username here. So after clicking on your username there, you're going to come here and you're going to click on your channel. Okay, when you click on your channel, you just come up here and copy this, right? Just copy this. If I copy this now, right? Let me just copy it. Let me quickly copy that. When you copy that, okay, when you copy that, you go to here, you paste in your channel here, your channel link here, and then you click on chat, right? So when you click on chat, it's going to create a chat session for you, okay, where you'll be able to have a chat with a Google team. Okay, so you can see the box has actually loaded here. So you are in number 6 in line. So the next thing you just to do, when it gets to your turn, in most cases, you might not even see this number 6. It will just give you an access to chat with the Google team automatically. You click on chat, okay, then you start chatting with them, telling them about your issue, the issue you have. And that's how I was able to do it, that I actually had the opportunity to chat with them here like this, okay? But in this case, I'm going to click I no longer need help, because I'm just doing this just to show you the process on how to actually chat with them, okay? So that was how I was able to chat with them, and I was told what to do. So like I rightly told you, you will have to like make a request of another pin after 4 weeks, okay? Then after the 4 weeks, you make a request up to 3 times. In some cases, it could be 4, okay? After that is done, right, then they are going to ask you, they are going to send you a link. Please get this, they are going to send you a link where you are expected to upload a valid government ID. Okay, now this your valid government ID, it could be your driver's license, okay, or it could be your international passport, okay. Now that is the government ID you are going to upload for them to confirm that you are truly the person that is chatting, asking them for activation or for the verification of your Google address, okay, your Google AdSense address, okay. If they confirm that, then you will go, you are going to be activated. Your AdSense verification address is going to be activated, and you'll be able to transfer your fund from your AdSense to your bank account. The tip I want you to take out from this video is this: you will have to request for your Google AdSense address verification PIN 4 times. In some cases, it could be 3 times, okay? But remember, one thing you should also take from this video is the ability for you to be able to chat with the Google team, okay? Through this process that I actually showed you, okay? Just go through this process. You'll be able to chat with the Google team, and you tell them all you need, and they'll direct you on how to go about it, okay? So after doing that, automatically your Google address will be verified without you receiving that physical PIN, okay? I believe this is very explanatory, and you got the idea from this, okay? I'm going to leave the video here, okay? If you have any question that you want to ask me about how I got my address verified, but I believe everything is answered there, you can still reach me in the comment section, okay? I just want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, and also remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself. Bye-bye.